Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for joining our workshop presentation today. Today's workshop is called The Importance of a Professional Headshot for Small Business Owners. We're really excited to host this workshop with Access Plus Capital, and we're going to go ahead and jump right in. Just to go over our agenda, today we're going to give an intro as to why it is important for small business owners to have a professional headshot. We're going to talk about what is a professional headshot, why you need a professional headshot, where you can take a professional headshot, and how to pose for a professional headshot. And you can see from these pictures that a professional headshot can be fun, it can be formal, it can be many things. I'd like to introduce myself as your instructor. My name is Lucy Doswan, and I'm a digital strategist. My background is in business administration and psychology. And before joining the Access Plus Capital team, I led global social media strategy at Avanos Medical. I'm excited to be your presenter today and share the importance of your professional headshot. Let's jump right in, why don't we? So, what exactly is a professional headshot? Now, in terms of what it looks like, it's a closely cropped portrait that's used in a variety of business and creative promotional materials. Now, a professional headshot is used to showcase your professionalism, showcase your business. A lot of times you can use props for your professional headshot. It also shows your personality and character. Um, this is really great, and we'll talk about some of the reasons why people like to have a professional headshot. Some people may take a selfie on their phone and do just that, but the importance of a professional headshot is the lighting, the crop, the pose, the facial expression, the hair, the makeup, how you dress. All of those things are important. Let's talk about why, right? A professional headshot makes a good first impression. Your headshot is often the first thing people see when they visit your website or social media profile, so it's always good to make a good first impression. It also allows you to build trust and credibility. When potential customers or clients see a professional headshot, they're more likely to feel confident in your abilities and expertise. This is because a professional headshot conveys that you take your business seriously and that you are committed to providing high quality services. It also helps you stand out from your competition. In a competitive marketplace, it's important to find ways to make your business stand out. Having a professional headshot can help you do this by showing potential customers and clients that you are a serious professional business owner. And of course, my favorite as a digital strategist, it's perfect for a variety of marketing purposes. Your professional headshot can be used for your website, your social media profiles, your business cards, and brochures. It can also be used in press releases and other media materials. Even if you have new employees coming into your company, they want to know who you are and what you look like, and a professional headshot can convey that. Overall, having a professional headshot is an important investment for any small business owner. It is a relatively inexpensive way to make a good first impression and build a really nice customer base. So let's continue. Now, I have some cool stats here for you guys. Let's just show you. Oop, jump too far. Um, so, in a study by HubSpot, found that 63% of consumers say that a professional headshot is very important in deciding whether or not to trust a business. That is 63% of consumers. Now, we live in a consumer economy, right? And that's why we all even start small businesses because there's a need in the market. So, if 63% of consumers are saying that a professional headshot helps to ensue that trust in you, I think it's a good idea to probably have one. Let's jump to the next stat. Now, a study by LinkedIn found that users with professional headshots receive 14 times more views on their profiles than users without professional headshots. Now, I have a professional headshot on my LinkedIn, and I Can say that I've definitely gotten more views. People are more interested or intrigued to learn a little bit more about me just based on my headshot. And honestly, that was the goal when I took my professional headshot. Um, and LinkedIn is a great place. It's a business platform. It's very popular for business to business sales and relationship building. So if a professional headshot allows you to get 14 times more views, hey, that increases your likelihood and odds of finding a potential customer. So, and the last that I have here for you guys is in 2022, just last year, the Business Journal cited people with a professional headshot are perceived as being more competent, intelligent, and trustworthy than people without professional headshots. Now, everything is marketing, right? A professional headshot, irregardless of you being these things, competent, intelligent, trustworthy, a professional headshot can convey that. People like to see that you've taken time to into the way you look and you care about the way that you're perceived by others. So if all you have to do is take a headshot, take a picture and post it for people to trust you and feel that you can actually get the job done that you say you can, by all means, please get a professional headshot. Now, I want to dive into a little bit more about where we can use professional headshots. So we mentioned a little bit of this a little bit before, but we said your website, on your About Us page, you can definitely put one there on your Contact Us page, your team page, on your social media. Now, depending on if you are a service based business or you are the sole person and for your social media, you can use it as your profile picture. If not, it can be a post on your social media, maybe a story, maybe a reel. You can also use it on your email signature. Now, when you're emailing clients, partners, prospective leads, it's great for them to have an idea of who you are. And as you can see from the headshot on this slide, you can look at this woman and say, she seems friendly. She seems knowledgeable. She seems willing to help and go the extra mile to help you with your business or with whatever service or product she's providing. And I think that's interesting when they say a picture is worth 1,000 words. Well, I don't even know this lady, and those are all the things and feelings I have when I see this picture. Okay. Business cards. Some will say business cards aren't really used too much today, but they actually are. People still use business cards, and when you put your picture on a business card, it could be helpful to help you for clients to see who you are and know who you are. Brochures, postcards, the list goes on as to where you can use your professional headshot. It also allows people to build awareness with you and of your brand. Let's continue. Now, most importantly, right? How do you prepare for a professional headshot? Well, for one, you choose your photographer. It's important to find someone who has experience taking professional headshots. That means they know what lighting to use, they have the backdrops. A really good photographer will even help you pose and say, hey, maybe put your chin up and relax your shoulders and smile with your eyes. A good professional photographer will help you with all of these things. Now, the next thing you want to do is plan your outfit. When you're preparing for your professional headshot, you want to choose clothing that is professional, clean, and well fitting. You want to avoid busy patterns or logos. Solid colors are generally best. And to be honest, if you want your headshot to also represent the business that you have, if you are an artist that paints murals, if you had a headshot that with paint on your face or with your paintbrush or something like that, something that's related to your profession, I think that's absolutely fine. You can do that. Logos as well. If you have your company t-shirt and having the logo on there, it also adds that touch of professionalism to me. So I would definitely say logos are absolutely fine. Patterns, as you all can see from my headshot, this is actually the dress that I had when I took my headshot. And it is patterned, but that's absolutely fine. I don't think it's too overwhelming. And if anything, it draws you into the picture a bit more. But if there's some really crazy patterns out there and you feel like it doesn't convey who you are, just stay away from it. And solid colors will definitely do well. You can see the two headshots on this page, they have solid colors. One is an actor headshot, and the other one is just a general. Okay. Next, you want to make sure you have a good haircut or hairstyle. Make sure your hair is clean and styled in a way that makes you feel confident and comfortable. Don't be shy to get your hair cut. Don't be shy to get your hair done because this headshot is going to last you probably for a couple years. Okay. Another one that's underrated, but making sure that you get a good night's sleep. This will help you look your best on the day of your headshot. Okay. Make sure you don't have bags under your eyes and you're just kind of lazy, you end up being late and things like that. Another thing that can help with that is drinking plenty of water. Make sure your skin is hydrated and you have a healthy glow. This helps give that element of trustworthiness, of kindness, of friendliness, someone that, someone wants to know. Now, you want to eat a healthy breakfast, avoid sugary foods. They can cause your skin to look oily and your eyes to look puffy. So just maybe eat some fruits and just think of something healthy, maybe oatmeal. And last but not least, arrive at your headshot session early. This will give you time to relax, get comfortable with the space and the photographer before your photos are taken. Okay. Now, the last thing we're going to talk about today is how to pose for a professional headshot. Now, it's amazing how you pose can vary, but you want to give a range of expressions. You want to smile with your teeth and your eyes. All right. You want to make eye contact with the camera. It shows a confidence to you, a I believe in myself and my product or service, and what you're going to get is guaranteed. Eye contact in a professional headshot is akin to eye contact when you're actually speaking with a client or with a customer. Okay. You also want to relax your face and shoulders. You can just take a time to breathe. Taking a deep breath can help with that relaxation. So you do. You'll see how your shoulders just fall. You can raise your head up, give it more of a confident feel. Okay. You can also use props related to your business. Okay. So if you sell pens or if you sell a physical product, it might be cool to have it in the shot and, just to give people an idea of what they may be coming into. But for me, I like to keep my headshot pretty simple just because you never know where else you could use it. It could be versatile. Yes, you can use it for all of your marketing materials, but what if you're invited for a speaking engagement or a speaking event? That may not necessarily be about your product or service, but it could be about leadership. It could be about, how you got to where you are. So having a formal headshot and then a fun headshot is awesome. So if you can agree with your photographer that you probably want 2 or 3 shots, that will be great just so you have that range. And that's all we have today. I'm going to go to the next page, which shows you guys a variety of headshots that you could possibly use to model your own. Okay. It was my absolute pleasure hosting this workshop for you all on the behalf of Access Plus Capital. Again, my name is Lucia Dosawan, and if you're interested in more digital marketing workshops and strategies for your organization, please feel free to contact me. I'll be happy to host. All right, have a great day and happy headshots.